people communication, just like Ms. Zhang just said, that it is quite important to increase the mutual understanding between our two sides. And in fact, that over the past 5 years, the academic exchange of our two sides has almost suspended. Almost suspended. I mean that the suspended means that the Chinese academics or scholars, they couldn't get a visa to come to visit you or visit your colleagues. So this is a very serious challenge for us. And for our side, you know that we still encourage the Indian scholars and academics to visit China. So since 2023, after the downgrading of the pandemic, China resumed the visas to Indian friends. So after that, every year, a group of Indian academics and experts and scholars, they invited to visit China. So this is a unilateral exchange, a unilateral visit by the Indian side. But from the Chinese side, so since this year, we have a few Chinese scholars visited India. So this kind of exchange has been gradually resumed. So it's a very good development in our relations. I just hope that after these very important bilateral visits between our two sides, this kind of P2P exchanges will be fully resumed, including, you know, that not including the famous think tanks and also universities. We will have more mutual visits, and in fact that for our side, from the Chinese side, that there were no difficulties for Indian people to travel to China. And I'm also very happy that the Indian side has started to visa facilitations to Chinese tourists. I just hope that in the coming time, all those visits from the Chinese side to India will be increasing gradually. So this is my hope, and also we have confidence about that. And just now about